Sarona, and here are your latest news today. Partidong Galing at Puso takes campaign at Holy Angel University.
Senatorial candidate Miguel Zubiri from Partido Galing at Puso says he is against same-sex marriage, but he is pro-civil union.
According to Zubiri, even if he is a devoted Catholic, the rights of the lesbians, gays, bisexuals, and transgenders should not be taken for granted. Hence, proposing a more sensible union that will not jeopardize the stake of the LGBT community. Under civil union, all properties of the same-sex couple will be labeled conjugal.
I'm not in favor of same-sex marriage. I'm in favor of civil unions. Kasi yung problema talagang gusto natin mangyari is meron silang legal basis for ownership of property, for disposition of properties. For example, meron akong partner. I have a gay partner and we're together for 50 years. Namatay na ako, 70 years old din siya. Sinong nauna sa amin namatay, believe it or not, kung yung bahay po ng namatay, hindi pupunta sa partner. Not like if you are married. Pupunta yan sa next of kin. So kawawa naman, di ba? We've been together for so long. So what we want to happen is a civil union which legalizes the union and therefore separation of properties yan ang okay sa akin. At least sa akin, sa belief ko as a Catholic, I'm a devout Catholic.
Apart from civil union, Zubiri also made mention that he supports anti-discrimination bill.
Diba? But I will definitely fight for a measure for anti-discrimination of LGBT. Yan ang pinaka-ayoko, na dahil LGBT siya, hindi siya papasukin sa restaurant, hindi siya papasukin sa bar, hindi tama yun. So we're going to push for that.
Zubiri promises to uphold his platforms once given a seat in the Senate. Along with him during the forum are other senatorial bets, Senator Tito Soto, Bayan Muna Representative Nery Colmenares, Valenzuela Representative Win Gatchalian, Richard Garden, Isko Moreno, and lawyer Lorna Capunan. They are also joined by Grace Poe and Shizzy Escudero, who are vying for the positions President and Vice President, respectively.
Meanwhile, inflation drops down for February, seen lowest for the last few months.
The Philippine Statistics Authority, or PSA, said last Friday, March 4, that headline inflation in February fell to 0.9% from 1.3% a month ago. Inflation is the increase in prices of widely used goods. The drop on the inflation in February has been the lowest for the past 4 months since the Consumer Price Index went up to 1.1% in November 2015. According to Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, the lower February inflation reading was driven largely by the decline in prices of selected non-food items. Also adding to the drop down are the lower gasoline and LPG prices and the reduction in jeepney fares in certain regions. BSB Governor Amando M. Tetanco Jr. said that the February inflation outcome continued to support BSP's outlook of within target inflation over the next 2 years. However, residents of Angeles, Pampanga seem not feel the inflation drop down.
Parang nakakalungkot kasi tumataas ng presyo, pero yung sahod, stable.
Wala, tumumal yung tinda. Kasi tumaas yung mga binili. Kasi mataas din ang kuha namin. Tumaas din. Kasi mahirap yung tulas dahil sa dilit.
Tetanco said that they will continue to monitor evolving price trends as well as developments on both domestic and global fronts to ensure price stability, conducive to balance, and sustainable economic growth.
Lastly, Cebu now heads University Student Council for school year 2016-2017.
Three heads from the Cebu Party will lead the University Student Council for academic year 2016-2017. Based on the result of the March 1 USCCSC elections, Darren Pascua from the Cebu Party will lead the University Student Council. Day after the election office of the Student Affairs posted the result of the election and the Student Center grounds at Holy Angel University, which show the higher number of votes for the Cebu candidates vying for the highest positions. The position for the President and Vice Presidents, external and internal, are part of the Cebu Party. Darren Pascua, the newly elected USC President, Wesley Bearsuaso, the Vice President Internal, and Christian Darnell David as the Vice President External. For many years, the USC's elected president always came from the Kayabit Party. Now tables turn, it's time for the Cebu to prove themselves that they are worthy of the position. But it is different for the lower position. Kayabit has the larger number of wins for the senatorial positions, likewise in the college student councils. Nevertheless, students are the ones who believe in them and are the ones who put them in their places.
Service, yung every year, kailangan nag-improve yung kanilang service para sa university, and they should keep what they have said nung meeting the advances.
Students are now looking forward for their promises to come true and their hard works to give students a better learning experience at Holy Angel University, a good management of the future student leaders.
That's for today. Tune in again for tomorrow's latest hottest news. I'm Desi Sorona, reporting Eureka.